What's happening, y'all? Making this video to show the progress of this 1986 Buick Regal that I've been working on. This is just the beginning stages of just when he wanted me, my guy just wanted me to just, look over his system and just, straighten it out. Not go full blown and just redo everything like I did, not yet. So this will show it. And, fuse block up under the engine bay wasn't even mounted. You can see it was like kind of burnt, probably sparking up. And first thing I did is I upgraded all his battery cable, all the zero gauge, because of what he told me how much power he was pushing. So I recommended him and told him just upgrade all your battery cable. You get all your power, better power through your battery. So that's what I did, and that's what these pictures show. I upgraded all his alternator wire, starter wire, everything coming from all the battery cable coming from his battery, all upgraded to zero gauge. So, and then after that, I just looked over the rest of the car, just saw stuff, started seeing this, started seeing that. And, man, it just, it was horrible. And these pictures about to show it now. His tweeters, were just thrown up on the dash. They were just hanging by the wires. Nothing was mounted. It just looked, this was like straight bogus. I thought I had seen worse, and then like the brake release you see right there, that held up to the bass knob. And then the wires behind the radio would just, just tape on it. That's it. They could have came off any time. So I just started cleaning up everything, doing what he told me, what he wanted me to do. And like I said, just straightening it up. And then you see his LED was one long LED strip. Whoever put it in didn't even cut it. They just ran it up under his dash, up under the carpet, all the way to the back seat. And that it was just straight bogus, man. And I put some LED lights in the back to make it look better. And even with the radio right here, you see it's hot glue. I guess they glued it on there to make it stay. I had to take that out, use a heat gun to get it out of there. And then I had to file down the actual bracket. The bracket was already was broken. And it was just, man, it was a lot, that this dude had paid for, and it wasn't done right. You can see it's just wires was just everywhere in his trunk. Nothing was zip tied. Nothing was neat. This horn, I guess, went to, behind behind the steering wheel, his factory horn, but it didn't even work. So, and then there's the little compressor for it, it didn't even work at all. So those relays are for his HIDs and the pictures you see coming up with. Even up under his dash, that's his alarm, man. The alarm, it was just wires everywhere, man. It's like this, whoever did this just threw everything just in there and just said, forget about it. So, like I said, I just, looked over everything and just started to straighten it up, what I saw. And, it just came to the point, I'm like, this is real bad. So, like I said, I just kept doing what I was doing and hooked everything up, and it still kind of didn't sound good. And then to me, it sounded like his tweet. He had 4 Kenwood tweeters and 4 Kenwood 3-way 6x9s, and it still didn't sound good. That's the bass knob I'm mounting at, but it still didn't sound good. And I guess, like I said, that's just what he wanted to do for now. But even with me, you see there, those are the tweeters that he had. And this stuff, this dude said he got this car did back in like 09, 2010. So it's like, this stuff is old. You want your car to sound good, you gotta upgrade stuff. So that's what I eventually did in these pictures. I recommended him, just put some better lights, low beams or high beams on there, change his tweeters and everything. So I changed his his 4x6 headlights. I changed them to HIDs of either 5,000, 6,000 K all the way around, on both the low beams and the high beams. So I changed those out. You see the pictures here. I'm switching them all out. I took the old tweeters out. I was gonna upgrade them too to some Alpines. I think they 100 watts RMS each. So this is me putting in, the bulbs into the headlight housing, and just trying to make it look good. Even this is his train horn. Whoever, like I said, put the horn and start the compressor in the horn in there, just mounted it right in front of the, you know, the damn radiator, man. It was just tacky. And then at that, they cut like a little, like you could say a hole into the grill just to get it fitted in there. It was just messed up, man. And there's a picture of his high beams and his low beams. You know, it looks good, you know. But and then this is me putting his tweeters in. I took all the old tweeters out and the crossovers, and I mounted them. But like I said, man, car still didn't. It wasn't suitable for me. Still wasn't, you know, what I, you know, classify, you know, as something that looks good. This is me putting in the LED, this underglow kit inside this car. It's all the 6-strip LED kit. 2 on the dash, 2 on the front seats, 2 on the back. So like I said, this is me tucking the wires, you know, making it look nice and neat. This video is about to show. The wires exposed. The LED kit, underglow kit for that side. No wires, period. That was me, you know, putting all the wires, tucking. You don't see no wires hanging out or nothing. And you know, it just got to the point. Like I said, I'm looking at this car. Even this video right here, you know, showing, you know, I mounted the tweeters. It still didn't look right. So I said, you know what? Nah, we're gonna redo this. We're gonna redo the whole entire car. You had this car for this long. It's time to redo it. So the next videos I show you are gonna be all the updates that I did. All right.